I think as women, we are essentially multitaskers. And over the years, I've learned to say no. I think that's a very powerful thing to be able to say.
Yeah, the ability to say no.
अगर किसी चीज़ के लिए आप समय नहीं बना सकते तो ना कर देना चाहिए, and उसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है.
So थोड़ा सा गियर बदलते हैं आप एक गेम खेलकर. You tell me if it's positive or negative.
Sure.
9 PM न्यूज़ देखना.
Negative.
Negative.
So negative.
सोशल मीडिया कमेंट्स पढ़ना.
मैं कुछ लोगों के कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ और मुझे हैरत होती है और आई एम लाइक I'd have nightmares for days if
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want, co-powered by Tirupati Edible Oils.
हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, ये कहावत है तो काफ़ी पुरानी, मगर अक्सर हम ये याद रखना भूल जाते हैं. इसलिए आज डाबर आमला एलोवेरा व्हाट वुमेन वांट पर आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट वुमेन्स हेल्थ. मैं हूं करीना कपूर खान और मैंने इस पर बात करने के लिए एक ऐसी गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया है जो हमेशा अच्छे कॉजेज़ के साथ जुड़ी होती है, चाहे वो एनवायरनमेंट हो, वाइल्ड लाइफ हो या फिर हेल्थ रिलेटेड चैरिटीज़. शी इज़ ऑलवेज डूइंग हर बिट. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the magnanimous Diya Mirza. Hi Diya.
Hi.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you for that very sweet introduction. I'm very happy to be on your show and I love the conversations. You have very interesting and very important conversations.
Yeah. But first
Yeah.
things first, lockdown में तुम कैसे busy रही? Everyone is going through a lot of mood swings.
Yeah.
So how did you keep yourself like, happy or cheer you up?
Bibo, I'm telling you, exercise and meditation helps. Like it's magic, because that is also something that really regulates your moods and your hormones and whatever it is that you're dealing with. I think so many fears that we've had to deal with, and that of course brings about all kinds of moods. I would definitely say for me what has definitely worked is meditation and exercise.
So थोड़ा सा गियर बदलते हैं अब एक गेम खेलकर. हम सब जानते हैं कि इस साल 2 buzzwords, the positive and the negative. Obviously ask you some questions and you tell me if it's positive or negative.
Sure.
So working from home.
Positive.
Oh, positive.
So many people who've been working with shorts below and like a suit jacket on top.
Yeah.
You're sitting in the comfort of your home.
Absolutely.
You're eating the food you like.
Yeah.
So yeah, home.
I
fully
yeah,
positive.
Fully. I think we're enjoying that.
Should not be complaining.
Not
Yeah.
at all. 9 PM news देखना.
Negative.
Negative.
So negative. Toxic is the word. Toxic.
Yeah. That should also be a
Yeah.
part of this. Toxic. Social media comments पढ़ना.
Depends. मैं कुछ लोगों के कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ और मुझे हैरत होती है और मैं डर जाती हूँ. मैं सोचती हूँ कैसे हैंडल करते हैं. Swara and all. I'm like, I'd have nightmares for days if I had to be Swara and read those comments.
Yeah.
And some days even I get
Huh.
it. That's all. So it's not like any of us escape
Yeah.
the wrath.
No, that no.
So I think it can be both positive and negative.
Positive
Both.
and negative. Instant food delivery apps.
Positive.
Positive.
Fully positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially the vegan ones. Online shopping.
Positive again. No?
Positive.
It's made life convenient for most people.
Yeah. The concept of binge watching.
It depends on what you're watching. But positive. I think it's very cool to be able to binge watch.
Yeah, and just like, have it. Have you
And just
have
like-
you watched anything recently? A binge
Yeah.
watch?
I've fully binged some shows and enjoy it. Schitt's Creek, have you seen
Yeah,
it?
binge. I think everyone's
so
just
fun.
binge watched that. It's the best.
Too fun.
Absolutely. So now Diya, India में काफ़ी women hesitate करती है to get a pap smear done or a mammogram. So I want you to talk about your experience with these tests to tell our listeners that how I think it's so important to get them done after a certain age.
Well, gynecologists recommend करते हैं कि 30 साल की उम्र के बाद हर औरत को हर साल पैप स्मीयर करवाना चाहिए और मैमोग्राम करवाना चाहिए. लेकिन उसके अलावा सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन जो होता है, these are very important to do क्योंकि early detection is very very good. मेरे मॉम के साथ ये हुआ पिछले साल. She was diagnosed with first stage cancer. And because of early detection, we could, take her to the hospital, and they conducted a mastectomy on her. And thankfully, touch wood, she didn't even have to go through chemo or radiation.
Okay.
So, and she's cancer free. So, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल जो मैं आपको दे सकती थी,
Right.
जो अपने घर पे एक्सपीरियंस किया है मैंने. और ये इसलिए पॉसिबल हुआ, टुडे शी इज़ कैंसर फ्री, क्योंकि उन्होंने अर्ली डिटेक्शन करवाया बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन, जस्ट दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड नॉट फीलिंग अफ्रेड.
आई थिंक एक और चीज़ जो लोग बहुत डरते हैं, विच आई फील इज़ मेडिकल डोनेशंस, चाहे वो ब्लड डोनेशंस हो या स्टेम सेल डोनेशन. हम लोगों को कैसे इनकरेज कर सकते हैं टू डू दिस मोर?
इट्स द ईजिएस्ट वे टू मेक अ डिफरेंस. हमारे जब जितने भी लोग हैं हमारे आसपास, जो हम सबके बीच में किसी भी मतलब हेल्थ क्राइसिस से गुजर चुके हैं, वो जानेंगे कि ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन्स कितने मुश्किल से होते हैं और इट्स नॉट ईजी टू गेट एक्सेस. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली समथिंग दैट वी शुड ऑल जस्ट मेक अ प्रैक्टिस.
एब्सोल्युटली. दिया, तुम एक एक्टर भी हो, एक एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट भी. यू आर समवन हु वांट्स इट ऑल. So tell us your, Dabur Amla Aloe Vera want it all moment, because I know that you you're doing so many things at once.
I think as women, Bebo, you'll agree that we are essentially multitaskers. I think मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ possible इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं अपने काम को delegate करती हूँ. I don't beat myself up if I'm not always available for everything. I prioritize what I really want to do. And over the years, I've learned to say no. I think that's a very powerful thing to be able to say.
Yeah, the ability to say no.
अगर कुछ नहीं, या अगर किसी चीज़ के लिए आप समय नहीं बना सकते तो ना कर देना चाहिए, and उसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. First.
Absolutely, couldn't agree with you more. So on a lighter note, like if you just had 24 hours to live, how would you live it up?
Exactly the way I'm living right now.
Achha.
That's exactly how I think of it. Yeah, because I'm doing everything that I love. I live in a home that I love. I'm surrounded by the people that I love, and I do the kind of work that I love. तो उसके अलावा और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? I'd happily die today.
Well, that's very profound. So since we're on the topic of fun, now you get to ask me a question. I don't know if your question is fun or not, but you can just ask me.
Bigology, empowered by Bumble.
तो बेबो, आपको मुझे ये बताना है कि अगर आप किसी काम पे जा रहे हैं और यू फील कि आपको प्रमोशन मिलना चाहिए, who should make the first move? क्या आपको first move करना चाहिए या you should wait for your boss to make the first move? I think I know what you will say, but please answer this question.
I think the way this young generation is, I don't think they have the patience.
Wait for anything.
They don't wait for anything. And I think if you are good at your job, you have confidence, I think one shouldn't have any fear. We can go out there and get it and just ask the question. At least that's how I am.
Yeah, fully. But obviously you should have the merit too.
Yeah.
So do your job well first.
Exactly. And then just go out there, right?
I'd do the same.
Lovely. And health को लेकर तुम कितनी अपनी ख्याल रखती हो? So was there any रसोई रिश्तों तक moment, like were you cooking and what basically how were you staying afloat?
The Rasoi Se Rishto Tak moment, brought to you by Tirupati Edible Oils.
I think the first thing that I did, Bebo, was make myself a routine. Eating obviously healthy, nourishing food, lots of fruit, lots of vegetables. और I think 17 या 20 सालों में पहली बार मैंने अपनी माँ के हाथ का खाना रोज़ खाया है through the lockdown.
Thank you so much, Diya. Always lovely talking to you. Thank you for coming.
Same here. Lots of love to you.
Thank you. Bye.
See you. Bye.
Well, there you have it. एक और amazing conversation, एक और brilliant guest के साथ. Today we have been talking about medical causes, and there is a guest I now want to connect with, जिनकी life पर movie Sky is Pink बनी थी. Please welcome Aditi Chaudhary.
Hi Karina, thank you so much for having me on your show.
Aditi, first things first, I want to know how this pandemic has been for you. It must not be easy for you to see so many people struggling with a disease that attacks the lungs. What has that been like?
It's interesting, but I think life has prepared me for lockdown, because I was in lockdown with Aisha in total isolation for about 5 years post-transplant. It was a really hard isolation to be in, because I had to watch Aisha every second of the day that she didn't put any dirty hands in her mouth. And so this lockdown feels pretty easy, interestingly. And Aisha always said, in every difficulty, there is an opportunity. I've made good use of the opportunities that this very difficult situation has brought, upon the world.
Aditi, when Aisha was not finding a donor, how frustrating was it for you?
It was heartbreaking because her chemo had to be harsher because Niren didn't match her more than 50%. And we learned that typically Asians, Indians don't really register for stem cell donation because they don't have the knowledge and they don't know how easy it is to be a donor. They don't know that registering is so simple. You just take a swab from the mouth and you fill out a form and you're on the registry. So yes, we were heartbroken that we could not find a match because we knew that what that meant.
What message do you have for all those people who are thinking about whether they should sign up as a potential blood stem cell donor?
I think everyone should be registering, to be a potential stem cell donor. I just think, just by being human, we can save lives. And I think it's the closest thing to godliness. I don't think people realize that, when you register to be a donor, you can actually save 4 lives at the same time. I mean, imagine a woman who has cancer and she has 3 young children, you can save 4 lives. And why wouldn't you do it?
And how have you been continuing Aisha's legacy?
Aisha always said, if you can't change your own life, there's always someone else's. So I hope that Aisha's legacy will change somebody else's life and save lives.
Thank you so much, Aditi. I'm so happy you joined us on this call today, and thank you for coming on my show.
Thank you so much, Karina. You should be so proud for having taken up this cause.
One thing that's been on my mind that relates to health is all the suffering that people have gone through in this pandemic. मुझे बहुत सिंपैथी फील होती है उन सारे लोगों के लिए जिन्हें ब्लड स्टेम सेल्स की ज़रूरत है मगर उन्हें मिल नहीं रहा। इसलिए मैं आप सबको रिमाइंड करूंगी कि अगर आप ब्लड स्टेम सेल्स डोनेट कर सकते हो देन प्लीज़ डू रजिस्टर। देयर आर प्लेसेस लाइक DKMS, BMST फाउंडेशन इंडिया जो लोगों की मदद करता है to help them get a second chance at life because they are putting their entire effort into deleting blood cancer. So if you're thinking of registering, sochna band karo and just do it.
Hi guys, उम्मीद है आपको फिल्मी मिर्ची पर मेरा शो पसंद आ रहा हो. If you don't want to miss an episode, you need to subscribe to फिल्मी मिर्ची and hit the bell icon. और हाँ, मैं सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ तो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट बिलो. And ये शो रेडियो पर भी आता है on these frequencies. What Women Want, presented by Dabur Amla Aloe Vera, co-powered by Tirupati Oil. Special episode is brought to you by DKMS BMST Foundation India. Social networking partner Bumble. Decor partner Burgess Silk Breathe Easy.